Advanced English Vocabulary, brought to you by Idioms Online. Tome. Tome. A tome is a book, but not just any book. We tend to reserve this term for an especially large, heavy, and learned book, one about a serious and scholarly subject. There are tomes about the history of the Roman Empire. There are no tomes written about fad diets or beauty secrets. Although tome can be used in a respectful manner, it is often humorous, denoting how overlarge and unwieldy in length and in language such books can be. You might find this word overused on book review websites or YouTube videos where the author is looking for a synonym for the word book. Examples of how to use tome in a sentence. He's the author of several weighty tomes on the sociology of education. He'll be a big hit at the party. Her latest tome on medieval art runs 900 pages. It's a great weekend read. He's not known for writing heavily researched tomes, so it was a surprise when he published his latest work, an historical novel based in feudal Japan. Only in philosophy does a 200-year-old tome become the main textbook in a modern university course.